This video tutorial will show you how to crochet a puff stitch flower. This design is a puff stitch flower with 6 petals. It's a very fun and colorful addition to any crochet or craft project. I even have a free crochet pattern, the Loving You Flower Pot, that features the puff stitch flower. You can find it on my website or in the description box below for the direct link to this free pattern. So without further ado, let's begin. What you're going to need for this project is a 3.75mm crochet hook. You're also going to need medium weight yarn. Using the pollen color, I used yellow, start off with 12 single crochets in a magic ring. Make the magic ring loop and you will be inserting 12 single crochets inside of that loop. Once you've made sure that you have 12 single crochets inside of the magic ring, go ahead and pull the ring tightly. Next, you're going to insert your hook into the first single crochet to begin the join. Don't pull through the yarn just yet. You're going to switch off and grab a different color yarn for the flower petals. I use pink yarn. So pull through the pink yarn to join, finish the join with a slip stitch. To start the first petal, you're going to chain 3, yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, and pull it all up into a tall loop. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up to a tall loop. Yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, and pull up into a tall loop. Now you're going to move to the next stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into that next stitch, yarn over, and pull up a tall loop. You're going to do this for a total of 3 times. So, second time, yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up into a tall loop. And third time, yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up into a tall loop. So at this point, you're going to yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, then chain 3 and slip stitch into the next stitch. Once you've done that, you've finished making the first petal. So now repeat the petal instructions 5 more times for a total of 6 petals. Sew the flower onto a project. I hope that making these little flowers will brighten up your day.